Hello, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. This video is just informational, and the purpose of the video is just to kind of give you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online by using the power of Google. Right now, Google is a powerhouse. A lot of businesses get started using Google, and they scale their businesses to amazing heights, right? And that's exactly what I'm just going to give you some tips and tricks on how to do that, okay? Now, there's three things that we're going to talk about today. The first thing we're going to talk about is going to be content. Second thing we're going to talk about is backlinks, and then the last thing we're going to talk about is citations, okay? If you're wondering what all that is, not a problem. We're gonna discuss all that. Okay, I'm gonna break it all down for you. So first and foremost, I did notice that you have the business site through Google. I mean, which isn't bad. I mean, if it's getting the job done, then I don't see any reason, I guess, to upgrade at the moment. If it's getting the job done, I mean, that's awesome. Unfortunately, seeing that it is a business site, it's not doing what an actual website could be doing for you. And if you wanted help with that, I mean, I could definitely do that as well, kind of help you out with that. But Google wants to know that you have content, so words, right? And pictures, things like that. So a dominant website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words, right? And I know for a fact that you don't come anywhere close to that. So actually, let me see. I'm going to highlight the whole thing here. Let me see how many words you actually have, okay? So I'm going to put it in my word counter. Let's see. Paste it. So you have 534 words. Yeah, so you definitely want to just up it. Give it at least another 1,000 words, and using relevant keywords, right? Saying things like landscaping services, Bradenton, Florida. Landscaping, Bradenton. Landscaping services, Bradenton, right? Anything that has the town right next to it is a buyer intent keyword. People are wanting and looking for your service, so you would definitely want to add those words in there, okay? The second thing I want to talk to you about is a citation, or excuse me, backlinks. So knowing that this is a Google business site, it's highly likely that you don't have any backlinks or referring domains. So I went on ahead and pulled up your competition in your area at the moment, and it's Landscape 941. Now, as you can see, they have 25 referring domains and 119 backlinks. Referring domains are just the amount of websites that are pushing traffic to this website here, and backlinks are just the number of times that these websites are doing so, right? So as you can see here, they have 54 keywords. They have 43 people visiting their website per month. As to yours, you have 0 and 0, bringing you no traffic value whatsoever. These guys are at least getting $76 worth of traffic value, which isn't much, but that should tell you that it's really easy to dominate these guys in your area. Okay. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Google knows that you're not an Arby's or a Pizza Hut, a restaurant at all, right? They know that your website is pertaining to landscaping, so it wants to know that there are other landscaping websites, landscaping blogs, and things like that that are referring back to you. It builds trust between those websites, and it also brings more power, bringing more traffic to you. So that's what backlinks are, okay? Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you about are citations, okay? Now, this is kind of how I found you, or not found you as well, you weren't here in the top 3 of the Google Map Pack. Now, my search engine is unbiased for exactly for what I do. So seeing that landscape is at number 3, Landscape 941, tells me that they have more citations than you do, okay? Now, what a citation is, essentially, is anywhere that you can find your business name, phone number, website, and address on a directory. And a directory can be anything like white pages. You've got yellow pages, home advisor. You've got Angie's List. Those are all different directories. Now, you would just want to one-up your competitors here. So if these guys had 100 different directories on there, then you would want to one-up them to like 150 or 200. You know what I mean? So if you went on ahead and did that, then you would definitely want to do the research and just kind of get that done as soon as possible, right? So the three things that we talked about today, again, is content, ensuring that you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. You would also want backlinks, right? Ensuring that you have proper backlinks, researching the backlinks from Landscape 941 and using them as your own, and then adding more on top of that, right? To ensure that you're ranking here organically. And then lastly would be citations, right? Ensuring that you have that you have your business in a different amount of directories, local directories, to ensure that you're taking here in that you're number one here in this map pack. And if I'm honest with you, this is where all the traffic goes. You know, this is where all the money is. This is where where most people go to find what they're looking for, right? I don't know if you're like me, but I don't go down here to the second or third page of Google to try and find what I'm looking for, right? I usually trust the map pack because it's either closest to me or because it answers the questions that I have to what exactly what I'm needing done. So with that being said, you have two possible outcomes or two choices, right? So the first one, you could definitely take all this information and do it yourself, right? Do the research and ensure that you have enough content on your website. Ensure that you have enough backlinks and citations to outrank your opponents to get more business, or you can outsource some help, right? And that's exactly what I do. So if you're needing help with any of this, any guidance in what to do, you could definitely reach out to me. I'm more than happy to help you, okay? If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.